Hey guys, we just got another shipment in. As always, if you're in the state of Washington, please send an email. My email is included in my bio. It is the best form of contact. Yeah, let's get into this. So we got a couple of these Outcasts, 300 shots. This is massive. I can't really like show you how big that is. Huge. We got this 200 shot Slayer. Pretty cool wrap. This one's better, I think, though. We got a few of the Hurricane 50 shots. Everybody wants these. 1%er. And we also got some of these 8-inch Skull Crusher. These are color like the Master 8s. And the 8-inch shells are becoming really, really, really hard to get this year. We got a few more of these. These went really fast. The Nosferatus. The Hound. 200 shots. This is the same size as that.
No, it's bigger.
This one's bigger and less shots.
Look at the bore size.
Yeah, you can see it in the video.
Bore size.
And then we got some more of these Carnival lights. 200 shots. Holy Diver.
Really cool.
That is a really cool wrap. Some more of the Gangsteins. More Big Pimp. More of the Kiss My Ass. The Incredible Hulk 2.0. You can't really see the bore size on this one. There you go. Pretty big. We got more Enforcers. These are really nice. Nice. The AI, 160 shots. Didn't we have AI?
Last year, yeah.
Is it the same wrap?
Yeah. We sold out, so we got more.
Yeah, we sold out those fast. This Pyro, 300 shots. Awesome wrap. Look at the detail on that. It is crazy. And then some more of these X cakes. Super, super cool. So yeah, that's it for this pickup. Again, email is in my bio. We are based in Washington State. If you have any questions, send an email. And as always, drop a comment, like, and subscribe.